Today we are making super tasty crispy air fried chana full of flavor and nutrients as an evening snack. So let's start. I've soaked chana overnight. It's nice and soft now. Let's wash it well and boil it with a little salt. Transfer the chana to a cooker, add half teaspoon salt and half glass of water. Now boil till it becomes soft. Around 3 whistles should be enough. Once it's boiled, it should look like this, nice and soft. Now we'll keep the cooker on gas and let the remaining water evaporate completely. After all water has evaporated, add just a few drops of oil and mix well. Now take a butter paper sheet, spread some chana on it, cover with another butter paper and flatten it gently using a wooden press or roller. We'll repeat the same for all chana. Next, take your air fryer and place a parchment sheet or air fryer layer inside. Add the flattened chana pieces, lightly brush or spray oil on top. Now sprinkle your spice mix. Chaat masala, amchur powder, red chilli powder, and a little Maggi Magic Masala for that extra zing. Air fry at 190 degrees for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, just look at that, it's crispy and golden already. Now mix it once, brush a little oil again, and air fry again for another 5 minutes at 190 degrees. Perfectly roasted chana is ready. Transfer it to a bowl, and now we'll make it even tastier. Add chopped onion, tomato, and fresh dhaniya. Sprinkle chaat masala, red chili powder, jeera powder, and a dash of lemon juice. Finally, add a little more Maggi Magic Masala for that punch. And that's it. Crispy, spicy, tangy air fryer chana is ready to serve. High in protein, full of flavor, and perfect with chai. By the way, do you know what it's called in Hindi? Comment below and let's see who guesses it right. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more easy and tasty recipes every week.